I will switch over to one of my personal experience with our beloved Lord. We used to come to Puttaparthi. Before that, I want to say this part. I was really blessed by, immensely blessed by our sweet Lord, to be born in a family where they already were the devotees of Bhagavan Baba. Just by mere birth, I am able to accept him as my God, as my Guru. My father was the vice president of Bhajana Mandali those days in Chennai. And in our house, early morning Suprabhatam, Omkaram Suprabhatam, Nagar Sankirtan, Bhajans, and various other spiritual activities used to take place. And my father was the vice president of that, very famous Bhajan center those days. And I used to participate in all that. My parents told me, he is your Guru and he is your God. And I had no option other than accepting it. And this Lord, we used to travel from Chennai and come to Prashanthi Nilayam. My maternal grandmother, by name Pankajamma, popularly Swami used to call her as Chautamma because she can't hear. A group of devotees from Chennai, olden days, they all used to come. She was the main link for our entire family, a binding link with our sweet Lord. And we used to come from Chennai by train those days. I still vividly remember my young days. Get down in Penukonda, take a Jatkawala, that is horse-driven cart, sit into that, and in Kacha road, dum, 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 you will get many Shivalingams on your head, hitting on all the sides. And then finally reach Bukapatnam. And reload yourself in another vehicle, bullock cart. And there on bullock cart, ladies, children, and luggage. And men used to push the bullock cart because the bullock cart needs to cross the Chitravati river. That's the only way. And even today that road remains. So they used to push the bullock cart, and finally we reach Prashanthi Nilayam, the abode of peace. That was a fantastic pilgrimage those days. With lot of discomfort, there was joy, excitement, piousness, earning, craving to see that sweet Lord. Great pilgrimage. But we never used to think about all that. But we reached Prashanthi Nilayam. And for your information, those days, whenever people come to Prashanthi Nilayam, very difficult to come, so they can't come like today. They come in the morning and get back in the evening, which was not possible those days. So they used to come, stay for at least a week, fortnight. Sometimes some people stay for a month or more. And we used to frequent Prashanthi Nilayam from Chennai. And we used to get good number of interviews from Bhagavan Baba. Those days the tradition, please remember, if you want to leave Prashanthi Nilayam after staying, Swami knows on each and every soul that comes to Prashanthi Nilayam, you want to leave without his divine blessings and permission, you cannot. So he will summon, he will call you, give you Vibhuti packet and Namaskar, and most of the time, the families will be called for beautiful interview session and blessings, immense blessings. And then only you can say goodbye to Prashanthi Nilayam. That was the golden days, an era where the love was flowing without any limitation. One such day, when we were there, we too wanted to leave after a long time, and Swami called us for an interview because we wanted to go. Though we got many times interviews, that time, during the course of talking, Swami became very serious and looked at my mom and said, "Hey, chala kashtapadtaru meeru. You will face a lot of problems." When Swami tells that you will face a lot of problems, it is going to be a real problem. Because Swami telling that you are a problem is not going to be a problem, it will be a pell-mell. So finally, my mother wanted to sort out. She asked, Swami, any problem? Then Swami said, all your money will be gone. The jewelry what you are wearing will go. There will not be peace in your family. Husband and wife will fight. Relatives of yours will play havoc in the middle. And a time will come that you say, Cha, what is this Sai Baba? This Sai Baba is giving me trouble, but not peace of mind. And you will take my photo and throw out of the house. To that extent, things are going to happen. Imagine somebody is standing in front of you and predicting all these things. What will happen? You will shiver through your pants. But my mother, because of Swami's blessings, immediately fell on Swami's feet, held on to that Swami's feet and said, Swami, please, whatever may be the condition, even if we don't believe you, even if we don't trust you, even if we leave you and go, Swami, please, you don't leave us. Do you know for that what Swami said? With a beautiful smile, Pichidana, do you know kite? గాలిపటం చాలా దూరంలో ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఆ గాలిపటం వదిలేవాడు చేతిలో తాడు ఉంటుంది. నాకు తెలుసు ఎప్పుడు చేసుకోవాలో. Kite will waver, will wither, and it will go far away and far away from me. But remember, the rope is in my hand, the thread is in my hand. You cannot, whatever distance that you go, a time will come, I will pull you closer and closer to me, and I will not forsake you. That was the assurance Bhagavan Baba gave on that interview. With some kind of consolation and a token of love, we left Shanti Nilayam, reached Chennai. First 6 to 9 months, everything was fine, nothing happened. We forgot what Swami cautioned us or mentioned to us. That is the Leela of Baba. We just forgot about it. And then, whatever Swami predicted in the interview room started unfolding one by one, but with more intensity, with more trouble. But he told us lightly, but this was like hammering session. It went on. Really a time came that we never believed. I told you, Bhajan Center was in our house. We shifted to some other house. 7, 8 years, Sai Baba was out of our syllabus. He was never there in our mind, in our heart. We never thought of him. But only trouble and all the trouble, more and more trouble, only trouble. Trouble troubled us. In that trouble, we never thought of anything else, but immersed ourselves in trouble. After 8 years, suddenly, I developed some health problem. I used to get chest pain. I felt that maybe some cramp or some muscle catch or pull or something of that kind. The intensity of the pain, quite often when it was repeating, it became more and more. Then, 1 month, it was very, very bad, very intense. And that time, when the pain was more, I was profusely sweating as if I had a bath. All my clothes were drenched. My left hand slowly became weak and numbness. And I could not breathe because any small movement gives me excruciating pain, like 1,000 needles are pricking. And the whole hall where I was sitting went blank and dark. From a young age, I all the time used to listen to Baba's discourse. And Baba all the time was telling, how you live is not important. How you leave the body is very important. How you die is very important. So that flashed in my mind, and I knew, damn it, my time is up. I have to pack up. So immediately, I saw in that hall, day-to-day calendar will be there. Every day you tear, that calendar. What was that God there? Our Kula Devatam. That is Lord Venkateshwara. Picture was there. I knew it is all done. And I saw that picture and I told my dad, get me the picture and I'm going. Get me the picture, I am going. My father panicked. Tension, confusion. Everybody in the house screaming, shouting, whatnot. The only son, because they had one elder son, he was no more. So they didn't want me also to go. So that was their condition. My father ran to the altar. And in 1951, Swami created a photograph for my father. And that was just lying in the altar. He picked that photograph that day, rushed and put it on my chest. He said, Baba, save him. I believed in you. Don't take away my son. And he bashed on my chest. That second, I could breathe nicely. And then slowly, light started. That means from that Lord Venkateshwara, I could see his creation too, slowly and slowly. And then they gave me water. By then, I was seeing my avatar. Servant made maybe ginger paste and they applied here. You know, all that Ayurvedic stuff. All the experiments must have gone on my system to revive me, to make me survive. Anyway, doctor was summoned. Then ECG and this and that, everything was done. And then doctor declared, your son had an heart attack. My father said, what? Heart attack? He's just 14, 15 years. How can he get heart attack? He said, no, sir. 1 in 10,000 cases this happened, and your son is that one case. Oh, we all thought, gone case. So what is the next thing to do now? Immediately my dad and my mom and my sister, we all decided, pack up. Pack up where? Back to square one. Journey to Prashanti Nilayam. After 8 long years, there he was with me as an excuse, started pulling me back and pulling entire family back to his lotus feet. And there when we came, as usual, you know, the mischievous, sweet little Krishna ignored us as if we are first-timers. Hey, who are you? You know, that kind of stuff. He used to regularly take up letter from my mother asking for an interview. Same thing happens with my father, but very religiously, meticulously, he repeated the performance every time when these two gave letter, very lovingly extend its hand, but never extended the hope. The hope is survive. But finally what happened? 3 long months. In these 3 long months, doctor told me, no weightlifting, boy. Totally rest. And I was doing MBPC. He said, no college. Take rest. All that big list of do's and don'ts was given to me. And then finally, that time, I was watering the entire Prashanti Nilayam with one gentleman by name Basant, who looked after Sai Gita, Elephant Sai Gita. I used to help him. Then I was in the bookstall. When the stock comes, I used to take the stock, count the books, and reorganized everything. You know that Gopuram is there? In that Gopuram, there are different small windows you can see. That was the go down those days for Satyasai Books and Publication, all the things. I used to carry books and keep it on top. And I go to canteen, serve water, lift the dirty plates there. All this hangama I was doing continuously for 3 months. And after 3 months, one day, Swami those days used to come first gents side and then only ladies side. So from the interview room he came gents side. From that slope only, hey, he said. So immediately, Swami is calling. Hey, you. I said, Swami is calling. Then Swami said, you. Me? My God. 3 months it was always bouncers, either left and right and top and bottom, but never in the center. And now it was totally focused on us. He said, you guys, come on. Full of enthusiasm and love and that, excitement. We rushed. We left Swami here, not bothered. We don't know to whom we are going to talk. We just left Swami and started running towards the interview room. And we had a big list of things that we need to ask Swami. And then finally, Swami entered. And then first thing Swami said, Pendli, Pendli, Pendli. I said, what is Pendli? Then Swami said, my sister should get married. And Swami told me, you must study. And then finally, I joined here, 77, as my brother Hariharan told. I completed my intermediate here. And then Swami used to tell me, I'm going to start a university in Prashanti Nilayam. Anybody interested in joining? I used to raise hand. And 18 boys were selected. And we were there in Prashanti Nilayam as a first batch, completed BCom, completed MCom as first batch, and I also applied for PhD. Meanwhile, in the higher secondary school, they wanted a commerce teacher, and they told Swami that it will be nice if this guy comes and teaches. And then finally, Swami asked me one day, Era upanyasam istava? I said, Swami, whatever you say, I will do. I have nothing in my head. Swami said, Vellu, Velli, college, higher secondary school, Cheru. Hey, Habu, no interviews, no procedures. Give him the textbook, show him the classroom, and he will start teaching. And that's how, very easily, I got the job. And 1984, and now it is 2014, I have successfully completed 30 batch with help of Bhagavan, and my students are here in front of me. Swami's assurance. That kite, when Swami drew us, my father was given the opportunity by Swami to serve in the canteen. I'm a mother and sister as Sevadal and also part of Bhajan group. From that day till date, we are here. What more? And I am 57 years. My heart is still beating and nothing happened by Swami's grace. What more you need to prove that he is true? Satya. Satyam is my prachar. And this beautiful assurance, I will protect you like eyelids protect the eyes. You always have me and I have you. I will never leave you and you can never leave me. That is the attachment between God and devotee.
Om Gananan Tva Tva Gananan Gananan Tva Ganapatim Ganapatim Tva Gananan Gananan Tva Ganapatim Tva Ganapatim Ganapatim Tva Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Havamahe Ganapatim Tva Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Ganapatigum Havamahe Havamahe Ganapatim Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavigum Havamahe Ganapatim Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Ganapatimiti Ganapatim Havamahe Kavim Kavigum Havamahe Havamahe Kavim Kavina Kavina Kavigum Havamahe Havamahe Kavim Kavina Kavim Kavina Kavinam Kavim Kavim Kavina Mupamashavastamam Mupamashavastamam Kavina Kavim Kavim Kavina Mupamashavastamam Kavina Mupamashavastamam Mupamashavastamam Kavina Kavina Mupamashavastamam Upamashavastamam iti Upamashavaha Tamam Jestarajam Brahmanam Brahmanam Jestarajam Jestarajam Brahmanam Brahmano Brahmano Brahmana Jestarajam Jestarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaha Jestarajamiti Jestarajam Brahmanam Brahmano Brahmano Brahmanam Brahmanam Brahmanaspate Pate Brahmano Brahmanam Brahmanam Brahmanaspate ब्रह्मणस्पते पते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत आपते ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणस्पत आपते पत आनो न आपते पत आनः आनो न आनः शृण्वन् शृण्वन्न आनः शृण्वन् न शृण्वन् शृण्वन्नो न शृण्वन्नोतिभिरूतिभिः शृण्वन्नो न शृण्वन्नोतिभिः शृण्वन्नोतिभिरूतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसीदोतिभिः शृण्वन् शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीद ऊतिभिः सीदसीदोतिभिः ऊतिभिः सीदसादनगुं सादनगुं सीदोतिभिरूतिभिः सीदसादन ऊतिभिरिद्यूतिभिः सीदसादनगुं सादनगुं सीदसीदसादन सादनमिति सादन प्रणो न प्रप्रणो देवी देवी न प्रप्रणो देवी नो देवी देवी नो नो देवी सरस्वती सरस्वती देवी नो नो देवी सरस्वती देवी सरस्वती सरस्वती देवी देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजेभिः सरस्वती सरस्वती देवी देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिः सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजेभिः सरस्वती सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिरीवती वाजिरीवती वाजेभिः सरस्वती सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिरीवती वाजेभिर्वाजिरीवती वाजिरीवती वाजेभिर्वाजेभिः वाजिरीवती वाजिरीवतीति वाजिरीवती धीनामवित्र्य वित्र्य धीनां धीनामवित्र्य वत्व वत्व वित्र्य धीना धीनामवित्रयवतु अवद्वित्र्य वत्व वत्व वित्र्य वित्रयवतु अवद्वित्यवतु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः योपां पुष्पं वेद पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति चन्द्रमा वा अपां पुष्पं पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति अग्निर्वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति योऽग्निरायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वा अग्निरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति वायुर्वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो वायोरायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै वायोरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति असौ वै तपन्नपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो मुष्यतपत आयतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वा अमुष्यतपत आयतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति चन्द्रमा वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यश्चन्द्रमस आयतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै चन्द्रमस आयतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति नक्षत्राणि वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो नक्षत्राणाम् आयतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै नक्षत्राणाम् आयतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपमायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति पर्जन्यो वा अपमायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यः पर्जन्यस्यायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै पर्जन्यस्यायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपमायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति संवत्सरो वा अपमायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यः संवत्सरस्यायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै संवत्सरस्यायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योऽप्सुनावं प्रतिष्ठितां वेद प्रद्येव तिष्ठति राजातिराजाय प्रसंयसायिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे समे कामान् कामकामाय मह्यं कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण मयि वैशाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
विनायका 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 विश्वाधारा विनायका विश्वाधारा विनायका 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 सिद्धि विनायक भवभयनाशा सिद्धि विनायक भवभयनाशा सुरमुनिवन्दित श्रीगणेशा सुरमुनिवन्दित श्रीगणेशा विनायका विनायका
जय दया करो साईं
जगत जननी देवी भवानी जगत जननी मंदहासिनी आनंददायिनी मंदहासिनी आनंददायिनी देवी भवानी जगत जननी मंगलकारिणी कारुण्य रूपिणी मंगलकारिणी कारुण्य रूपिणी नारायणी देवी नारायणी नारायणी देवी नारायणी महिषासुरमर्दिनी अम्बे भवानी महिषासुरमर्दिनी अम्बे भवानी देवी भवानी जगत जननी मंदहासिनी आनंददायिनी देवी भवानी जगत जननी मंगलकारिणी कारुण्य रूपिणी नारायणी देवी नारायणी महिषासुरमर्दिनी अम्बे भवानी महिषासुरमर्दिनी अम्बे भवानी देवी भवानी जगत जननी
जननी साई जय अम्बे भवानी मां
अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम राम रामा
श्री रामचंद्र जय जय रामा श्री रामचंद्र जय जय रामा करुणा विरामा कमनीय रामा करुणा विरामा कमनीय रामा
साई पादाम्बुजं भजे मानस निरन्तरम् सत्य साई पादाम्बुजं भजे मानस निरन्तरम् परम पवित्रं पावन चरणं परम पवित्रं पावन चरणं कलिफलदानं श्री गुरु चरणं कलिफलदानं श्री गुरु चरणं भवभयनाशक दुरित निवारण भवभयनाशक दुरित निवारण पतिपुरीश्वर पंकज चरणं पतिपुरीश्वर पंकज चरणं भजे मानस निरन्तरम् भजे मानस निरन्तरम् सत्य साई पादाम्बुजं भजे मानस निरन्तरम् परम पवित्रं पावन चरणं कलिमलदानं श्री गुरु चरणं भवभयनाशक दुरित निवारण पतिपुरीश्वर पंकज चरणं भजे मानस निरन्तरम् भजे मानस निरन्तरम् भजे मानस निरन्तरम् सत्य साई पादाम्बुजं भजे मानस निरन्तरम्
राम रे साई कृष्ण रे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई राम रे साई कृष्ण रे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई रे नानक येशु मुल्क रे सर्वधर्मप्रिय साई हरे राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्मप्रिय साई हरे अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे नानक येशु बुद्ध हरे राष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे ओ बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे राम हरे साई कृष्ण 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 हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
शांति 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 भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् शांति 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् शांति शांति शांति
Om Sai Ram, Bhagavan's counsel for today. Doctors know that the body temperature is normally 98.4 degrees. If this temperature goes up to 99, they say fever has set in due to some disorder in the body. We inhale and exhale at a normal rate. If there is a slight increase or decrease in the rate, it indicates disorder in the body. Changes in the pulse rate or blood pressure also indicate disorder. So, you find that if you cross the limits even to a little extent, it is dangerous or harmful to the body. There is a limit for everything to function in a normal way. When your eyes happen to see a flash of lightning or a flashlight while taking photographs, they automatically close because they can't withstand such high illumination. Eardrums also cannot tolerate hearing beyond a certain volume, and we close our ears or keep cotton inside the ears. Our life, thus, is a limited company. Similarly, our desires also should be limited. Jai Sai Ram, and now we shall offer Mangala Aarti to Bhagavan.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतीका आश्रित कल्पलतीका आपदार्णवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदेव मरियन्दयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्दयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राशयना ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूपा प्रिय साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती मंगल आरती मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्